Are you tired of dry and lifeless hair? Welcome to a journey of transforming your hair through nature's bounty. We'll explore home remedies using avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, honey, and mayonnaise. Stay tuned to reveal the secrets of these natural hair saviors. Avocado, a natural moisturizer, brings life back to dry hair. Just mash up a ripe avocado and slather it on from root to tip. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Simple, right? But the result will amaze you. Coconut oil, a magical potion for your hair. Simply warm it up and gently massage into your scalp. Allow it to work its magic overnight and cleanse in the morning. Your hair will thank you for this tropical treat. Olive oil and honey, a duo your hair will love. Simply combine equal parts of both, creating a nourishing elixir. Apply this to your hair, letting it soak for 30 minutes, then rinse it out. Experience the shine and softness like never before. Mayonnaise, not just for sandwiches anymore. This common condiment is a brilliant hair remedy. Simply slather it onto your hair, paying special attention to those dry areas. Let it sit for a quarter of an hour, then rinse. Your hair will feel nourished and revitalized. These simple all-natural remedies can transform your dry hair into lustrous locks. Remember, the avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, and honey, and the classic mayonnaise treatments can rejuvenate your tresses, giving them the nourishment they crave. With regular use, these remedies can significantly improve your hair's health and shine. So here's to bidding adieu to dry hair and welcoming a head full of gorgeous, hydrated locks. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural remedies, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life.